guys, welcome back to Deep Chinese. I am 𝐿𝐶 Gloria. Some students are frustrated because they can't have a small talk with their family. This video is a good, real dialogue between parents and kids. Today we're going to watch it and break it down. Let's see if we can pick up some cool tips for a better chit-chat.
食飯啦，芳芳。哇，好肚餓啦！
After a long day, the first things that come to the mind when we reach home is I'm starving. 肚餓 means hungry. 肚 means belly. You can say 肚餓 or just say 餓。我好肚餓啊 I'm hungry. If the meal is not ready, you can ask 食得飯未啊？ Can we have the meal now? 得 here means can. And if the meal is ready, we can also say 好香啊，有咩食啊？好香啊，有咩食啊？ It smells good. What do we have for our meal?
杞子煲鮑魚啊，明目養顏啊，飲多啖啦。
飲多啖啦。Drink one more sip. 一啖 means a sip, a mouth of. Pay attention to this structure. Do things one more time is verb 多 measure word 能. For example, eat one more shrimp. 食多隻蝦啦。
呢隻黃油雞咧係阿雞康送嘅喎，呢條魚啊賣魚勝特登留翻俾你食嘅。
What a typical smart talk between mom and kids. Cantonese moms often make a big deal about how hard it was to get all the ingredients for the meal. This is to show that the food is special and to make their kids appreciate it more and eat more. 特登 deliberately, on purpose, specially. For example, 我特登好早去街市買咗隻雞嚟煲湯俾你飲。我特登好早去街市買咗隻雞嚟煲湯俾你飲。I went to the wet market early to buy a chicken to cook soup for you. 留 remain, keep.
哇，好飽啦！
好飽啊 I'm full.
食一雞髀添。媽唔要啦，我真係好飽啦。
食隻雞髀添啦。雞髀 is chicken drumstick. Be careful about the final particle. 添啦 it means more, too, in addition. Mom always say this sentence. Chinese family loves to share their food with guests. The most you eat, the happier they are. However, it's okay to reject their offer politely. If you are with your family, you can simply say, 唔要啦，我真係好飽啦。Which means I don't want it. I'm really full. But if you are a guest, try to say, 你食啦，我飽啦。Like, don't think about me, you eat it, I'm really full. Or you can reject politely. 唔使啦，唔該，我飽啦。Which means no need. I'm full. Thank you.
係咯，平時小姐啊飲2啖湯㗎咋，今日飲多啖啦。
食咁少嘢，唔怪之你瘦猛猛啦。
My relatives always say that. 食咁少嘢，唔怪之你瘦猛猛啦。唔怪之 or 唔怪之得 means no wonder. 瘦猛猛 is an ABB adjective structure. It means skinny. 係啊。By the way,
下個星期咧豬肉榮取新抱喎，你去唔去飲啊？
Have you noticed that how Cantonese language likes to combine a person's name with what they do to create unique nicknames, such as 雞汪、賣魚勝、豬肉榮、賣菜蓮？ However, these nicknames are generally considered outdated nowadays. I also think that people don't give nicknames to others as much as they used to because we are not as close with our neighbors as we were in the past.
下個星期咧，豬肉榮娶新抱喎，你去唔去飲啊？
豬肉榮娶新抱喎，豬肉榮娶新抱喎。新抱 or 新抱 refers to a daughter-in-law. 娶 means a man getting married. We have two words for married, 嫁 and 娶. Like John 娶 Lily, but Lily 嫁俾 John.
你去唔去飲啊？
去飲 means attending a banquet, not just going to drink at the pub. So if someone says, 我今晚去飲, it doesn't mean they are heading to the pub, but that they are attending a banquet tonight. Therefore, if someone say that to you, you don't automatically assume you are invited. Don't say 我有去。
去，我都想見下班舊街坊。
舊街坊 old neighbor。
太太同小姐真係念舊嘅啫。
念it means miss, and 舊 it means old. Nostalgia。
唉，中環街市裏邊啊，個個都係我啲舊街坊，個個都睇住方方大嘅咧。
個個都 double measure word at 都 means every. 大 here is a verb. It means grow up.
係啊，豬肉榮好錫我㗎。
錫 has two meanings. It means kiss, 錫, and also means be very fond of. Like somebody 好錫我 somebody is very fond of me.
佢同舅父最老友嘅。
唔好提個反骨仔啊！
唔好提 Don't mention. 反骨仔 is ungrateful guy.
媽，都咁多年咯。
就係咁多年我先唔想提嘅。
咁好咯。
咁好啦 OK, fine.
我都要去學畫畫啦，走先啦。
咁你早啲返噃。
拜拜。
哦，拜拜。
走先啦 or 行先啦，走先啦 I'm leaving. The last sentence. 咁你早啲返噃。Here, 噃 is the final particle to remind her kindly. Okay, now let's summarize some common expressions between parents and us. Number 1. 我好肚餓啊。I'm hungry. 食得飯未啊？ Can we have the meal now? 好香啊，有咩食啊？ It smells so good. What do we have for our meal? 飲多啖啦。Drink one more sip. 我特登煮俾你食㗎。I cook it for you deliberately. 食隻雞髀添啦。Eat one more chicken drumsticks. 唔要啦，我真係好飽啦。I don't want it. I'm really full. 食咁少，唔怪之你瘦猛猛啦。You eat so little. No wonder you're so skinny. 係啊。By the way, 我睇住你大。I watch you grow up. 嫲嫲好錫你㗎。Grandma is very fond of you. 走啦，咁你早啲返噃。I'm leaving. Come back home earlier. That's what we learned today. If you like today's video, please give me a like. And if you want to learn more this kind of video, leave me a comment. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.